I am Manuel Villacorta, registered dietitian, nutritionist, spokesperson, and author of 5 nutrition and wellness books. As a registered dietitian, I often get asked if eggs can fit in a plant-based diet. So I have partnered with the Egg Nutrition Center to share with you how eggs can not only fit, but they are also an integral part of a plant-forward eating plan. I'm also excited to share with you how to make my easy and delicious recipe, Primavera egg stuffed bell peppers. But before that, what is a plant-based diet? Does it mean vegan or vegetarian? Do you need to completely cut out meat and animal products to be plant-based? Well, there's no official definition for the term plant-based diet. I look at it as eating more plant foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. I fully endorse eating more plant foods because Americans don't eat the daily recommended amounts, but plant-based doesn't mean only plants. In fact, cutting out completely meat and animal products could mean not getting enough nutrients like vitamin B12, calcium, vitamin D, omega-3s, iron, and protein. Now that we know that a plant-based eating doesn't necessarily mean cutting out completely animal products from your diet, I will make a delicious and easy to make plant-based dish that includes one of my favorite ingredients, eggs. Eggs are a naturally nutrient-rich choice, providing a good or excellent source of 8 essential nutrients, including choline plus carotenoids, lutein, and zeaxanthin, all for 70 calories in a large egg. Are you ready for my Primavera egg stuffed bell peppers? So now let's get cooking. Let's start by heating up the oven at 450 degrees. And in the meantime, let's heat up the oil in a frying pan. When hot, sauté the onions, the mushrooms, and cherry tomatoes. I sauté these for 4 to 5 minutes. When it's done, set aside to cool down. Crack the eggs in a medium bowl. Now add the sea salt, the black pepper, and garlic powder, and whisk well. As you can see, I'm not throwing out the egg yolks. Nearly all vitamins and minerals are located within the egg yolk. So use the whole egg to get all its powerful nutrition. Another nutrition fact that I love is that eggs are one of the only foods that naturally has vitamin D, which along with calcium is critical for building strong bones. In a large bowl, combine the zucchini, the Parmesan cheese, jalapeno peppers, green onions, cilantro. I love cilantro. Now let's add the sauté. Oh, this is looking so good and smelling so delicious already. And the eggs. And mix well. Now that your filling is ready, let's divide it among the bell peppers. So I'm using a half a cup to help me fill out the bell peppers. Let's cover the baking dish with aluminum foil and bake for about 50 minutes. Eggs are a wonderful complement to a plant-based lifestyle as they can help you consume more vegetables. In fact, eggs can help you absorb the fat-soluble vitamins and antioxidants found in plant foods such as vitamin E and carotenoids. Plus, pairing plant foods with high-quality protein like eggs can help meet your daily protein needs to help you support healthy muscles and strong bones and help you achieve optimal vitamin and mineral intake. I love this recipe because it really shows how versatile eggs can be. While eggs are viewed traditionally as go-to breakfast option, they can be enjoyed throughout the day. They make great snacks or a delicious protein option in balanced lunches and dinners. I love eating my Primavera egg stuffed bell pepper with whole grains such as quinoa, farro, barley, or brown rice. Now the best part, the taste. Let me get a little piece from here. So fresh, So Primavera, so delicious. Now it's your turn to make your own Primavera egg stuffed bell pepper. Please visit eggnutritioncenter.org for more information about eggs, egg nutrition, plus plenty of delicious and nutritious recipe ideas.